This dramatic-looking bird is a predator that will rule its land with an iron wing. Although naturally timid, they are a master at using stealth and silence to catch their prey.
He's gonna come right by us tonight.
But, lucky for him, this eagle owl seemed friendly enough, especially when offered food.
Happens.
With its distinctive eyes and pointed tufts of feather upon its head, Hobby was in awe. The wanderer, bird of the cliff and mountain, moor and craggy coastline. In the sky, there is no place for hunter to hide. This bird must rely on speed. When she tucks in her wings, she shoots towards Earth to become the fastest bird in the world. Seeing this bird in flight and on the hunt takes Hobby's breath away. He longs to learn more, to be tested, and now in this land, that taste will come from a master falconer and the most royal of falcons, the peregrine.
He's gonna come out there in the sky. He went around and in the sky. He's got there.
Training for the bird begins once they leave the nest. Training for Hobby begins now. The falcon and falconer must work together as one, building a relationship that has been throughout the ages mysterious and strong. Hunting ducks, pigeons, catching them on the wing. They strike a target with a single deadly blow. Such speed can kill their prey on impact. A ruthless killer who is totally focused on hunting. These birds worked together to stalk, chase, track, and kill their prey. It was not long before he met these wolves of the sky. They were the Harris Hawks. Hobby found the Harris Hawks to be clever and great fun. He understood why they were so popular in sport and hunting.
Overhead.
Hobby learned that they lived and hunted as a family, with a strict hierarchy, and he saw that the family was a female. The young males will hunt, working together to flush out hidden prey, sometimes diving from the air or running on the ground. The females will deliver the final blow to the prey. Then they feast. Ladies first, of course. Hobby admired their speed and agility, their dark brown plumage, the white bar along the tip of the tail feathers, and their long legs that had very tough skin so they could perch on sharp plants. These birds can be protective of their territory and will viciously defend their lands from other hawks. Hobby heard a very strange story, that if there is no room to perch on a tree, they will sit on top of each other up to 4 birds high.
That's massive.
It was an Andean condor. Legend said this was the largest bird of prey in the world. On seeing this magnificent bird, Hobby knew this to be true.
Can I have one of those for my pets?
These predators of the
Can I have that
sky
pet?
were said to live for up to 80 years.
Can I have that bird as my pet?
These giants of the air live in high mountains, open grasslands, and along coastlines. They are not natural hunters. They like to scavenge for food. Claws are short, unlike an eagle, and they use them well to hold down any scavenged carcasses they feast upon. Hobby was amazed to learn that the Andean condor had a wingspan of over 10 feet.
I need more.
This was the bald eagle. To Hobby, this bird conveyed power and freedom. A dominant and forceful bird that will face any kind of threat and never hold back. Fast, agile, brave, magnificent. Whether soaring effortlessly or powerfully flapping its wings in flight, Hobby was transfixed. The bald eagle is an aggressive predator, a true hunter. It does not care how it gets its food. It It will eat carrion, steal fish from other birds, or hunt for its own, often swooping down and grabbing the fish with its sharp talons. Once again, the skies above Warwick were full of many magnificent birds of prey, a sight that would indeed be the envy of a king. Warwick had a new hero, and I had a new master falconer, who was destined to protect and care for these beautiful birds. Hobby had fulfilled the falconer's quest. As you look
lots of
into the
birds.
sky, let your imagination soar. We have one world, one sky, and one future. Together, we must respect and cherish these magnificent birds. We hope you have enjoyed the Falconer's Quest. Until we meet again, my friends. Until then, farewell.